We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your scanner glass, and I'm working with the brother MFC L5850dw. So you want to open your ADF here. You want your favorite glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth. You want to put the glass cleaner on the cloth. You never want to put it directly on the glass. And you just gently clean the glass. Sometimes you can see some pen marks or even some whiteout on there. So if you do see that, then just go ahead and give it another cleaning. If you're seeing more defects when you're using this part, you want to focus on this little strip of glass right here. But if you're seeing more defects when you're using the flatbed, then I would focus more on the bigger piece of glass. If you guys are consistently seeing defects when you're scanning or copying, it's probably time to put your printer in for a service. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.